At BRL, Microvellum has helped set us apart by being able to provide high-end commercial and shop fitting drawings to the client and enable fast, effective revisions. So at BRL, we made the decision to change to Microvellum. There's a few main reasons why we chose to make that decision. First one was productivity. Productivity, we needed something to simplify the process, something to be able to quickly get information in and out onto the factory floor and as accurately as possible. By switching to Microvellum, we condensed everything that we needed to do down to a single program, which meant the accuracy of what was on the floor was better. Now, the second thing, as a senior designer, I needed to train staff. To train staff in a single program versus multiple programs is much easier. Microvellum have a very good tool in terms of their training at the university, which has taught me how to actually teach the guys here as well. We were able to introduce new products, new libraries, and everything built around Microvellum, which helped us consistently build the same product. What you see on the screen and what I submit to a client is going to be it. If there's a hole in a specific area, that's where it's going to be. There's no guesswork, there's no other programs analysing your data. Everything is in full control, which allows you to be able to provide an exact representation of what the client wants right in front of them.